To get started, launch the Threads app on your device. On your home feed screen, press and hold the following tab. In the menu that appears, tap on Create New Feed. Enter a name for your feed that represents the topic or interest you want to follow. If you want anyone to be able to view and share this feed, toggle the Public Feed slider to enable it. Next, tap Add Topics or Profiles to include specific profiles or search terms that will populate your feed with relevant content. Tap the Add button next to the topics or profiles you want to see in your feed. Once you've finished selecting, tap Next in the top right corner to proceed. Review everything, then tap Done at the bottom to finalize. You can use the quote icon to post a preview of your custom feed. You can also use the Share Feed button to send your custom feed as a link or direct message. Now, go back, and you'll see your custom feed appear alongside the For You and Following tabs for easy access. This allows you to create personalized feeds tailored to your interests and share them with others on Threads. If you long press the custom feed, you will see options to remove the feed, create a new feed, or edit the existing feed. So that's how you can create a custom feed on Threads.